Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an iPad Pro 2020 11-inch first impressions and unboxing. I got the 256GB space gray version. I used my student discount to get $50 off, as well as a free pair of AirPods, which we won't be giving away these because we'll be giving away the AirPods Pro at 500 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. But it's nice to get these to recuperate some of my money. And also I got 20% off Apple Care, and I mainly did that because I am afraid of the bending issues. The structural integrity is not supposed to be any better from the 2018 version of the iPad Pro. So let's get right into this. Per usual, Apple has a nice pull tab. There we go. Here we get the iPad itself. We'll put this off to the side as well just to see what's in the box. Designed by Apple in California. I'm sure we get Apple stickers. Are they going to be the space gray version? iPad Pro. This one does have Face ID on it, just like the 2018 model, so we'll definitely be using that. And they are not space gray Apple stickers. Okay, so that's it for all of that. We get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C Apple cable. I love that they did put USB Type-C on the iPad Pro. And then we get a 18-watt charger. This looks like the exact same one that comes with the iPhone 11 Pro series. So nice to have an extra one of these as well. Very minimalist and nice packaging from Apple, per usual. And we'll bring in the iPad Pro. So here we go. You can see the newer camera bump in comparison to the 2018 model. Let's get the plastic off for you guys. And there we have it. So I'm going to set this up really quickly and then bring it back for my first impressions, as well as why I got the new iPad. Here quickly, I just want to show you guys you can set it up with your iPhone. And we're back. There's still a lot to be set up here, but on my first impressions, the 120 Hz LCD panel is awesome. It's so quick. It's something we would want to see on the newest iPhone. I'm very glad to see it here. I'm going to give you guys a little information about why I got this as well. I got this to replace my 2015 MacBook Pro and maybe my Mac Mini as well. I'm going to be editing on this iPad from now on to see how it's like, and to see if it really can replace my computer. I wanted to get a new Mac actually, but I was in a weird time to buy because the 2019 16-inch had the performance I wanted, but it was just really expensive, and the iMac is due for a refresh. And finally, the change to Apple Silicon is changing everything as well. In the interim, I will for sure be using this to edit a bunch of my stuff. I'm going to see how I like it. I'll let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all are doing well. Stay tuned for the future giveaways, and peace.